What's good, YouTube? Y'all hear me? Girl, today I got I'm hungry, y'all. Some tacos with the cheese sauce in the middle, listening to Muriel. Girl, she up here arguing with the kids. Up here arguing with these damn kids. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. What she say? So good. Mm. The kids up there begging for food. She telling them no. This bitch got 9 kids. Kids up there fighting. Mm. Oh. Oh yeah. Let's let's give a happy birthday to Pastor P. We miss him. We adore him. We miss him very much. Oh, we met Pastor P. Happy birthday, Pastor P. I wonder how old he turning. He gotta be 30, like 38, 39. Y'all remember Pastor P? He got into that motorcycle accident. Mm. That bitch sad. Muriel's so sad. She got all them kids and can't take them to nowhere. Can't do nothing with them. Got to sit in the house full of kids, house full of badass kids that want to fight each other. Mm-mm-mm. Damn, they go Pastor P. Remember Pastor P got into that accident? Mm. Damn. Mm-mm-mm. Damn. I hate that happened. I gotta start watching it. It make me sad. We must remember Keith um for all the good that he did. We must remember Keith for when he was with his son, and and the happy time. Mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. My boy Keith. Damn. What's been going on, y'all? I know there's a few things going on. But bitch, you got 20 motherfucking kids. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. Mm. Look how many times she gotta call them kids. Mm, mm, mm. Always talking about what you gonna do to the kids. I'm gonna pinch you. I'm gonna give you a punishment. I'm gonna give you a consequence. I'm gonna pinch you. Girl, shut the fuck up. Mm. I'm just always crying. Mm. Mm, mm, mm. Why them kids always crying? She can't afford to put none of them in football. Mm. Mm. Ooh. Mm-mm. I'm still hungry, y'all. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. I'm not hungry. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Mm. High as hell. Still hungry. Mm. See, I told y'all she always trying to tell her kids, chill out. All the kids be hollering like it's a zoo. She ain't got no control. She don't keep them kids clean. She don't feed them. All she want to do is suck on dick. Mm. Well, oh, what happened? Oh, let me show y'all that. I thought this was so crazy. This happened in Detroit. As a matter of fact, I was caught up in the traffic. I was caught up in the damn traffic. Look at that. Look at it. Look at his funeral from Detroit. I was caught in the damn traffic. I was just leaving work. Look, it was, and then I was like, who died? And somebody said a 10-year-old little boy from Detroit. Boy, he brought the whole city out. Boy, it was like 1,000 cars when I seen it. Everybody was hanging out the window, driving on the cars and stuff. Wow, that little 10-year-old boy, I don't know what happened to that little 10-year-old boy, but he brought the whole city out. I'm telling you. He brought the whole city. It was 1,000 cars. It was 1,000 cars out there. People on the hood of cars, people driving, people hanging out the windows. Girl, it was it was crazy. I just know that funeral was beautiful though. Cause look at the boy's horse and carriage. Look at his horse and carriage. Damn, they skirting off. They talking about the white man scared. Look, y'all. Look at them hanging out the window. She driving on the car. She crazy. They showing out, y'all. Damn, Detroit stand up. Oh! Oh! These videos is crazy, y'all. Alright, y'all. I'll be back with another mukbang. Make sure y'all follow me. Subscribe. I'll be back with another mukbang because I got some tea to tell y'all. But I'm not going to tell y'all unless I get some subscribers. I need some more subscribers. I need like 500 subscribers. Okay, subscribe. I tell y'all some tea about this bitch Muriel that be still abusing her kids. Look, see? She getting mad at her kids for opening up a bag of chips. Because they hungry. And she took the bag of chips and just ate it. Look, she eating a fucking bag of chips. She just said, who told you to open up this bag of chips? And she took it and ate it. See, she ain't giving them kids no damn food. Okay, I'll see y'all later. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel.